join me today in making broccoli cranberry salad. And you can customize this the way you want it. Okay, I just love the broccoli cranberry salad. And you never know if it's going to be in the deli at your grocery store or what they put in it for that matter. And those little kits are just so expensive. And you can really just make it so easily at home. Now, I'm only going to make half the recipe because it's just me and my husband. Now, we're going to start out making the dressing first. Now, I like to put honey in mine, so it's really important that I start with mix the vinegar and the honey together first so that the honey will dissolve. And really, you need to do that for the sugar to dissolve for that matter. So I'm starting off with my vinegar. Now this is some homemade vinegar. This is the Mexican American vinegar, but you can use the red vinegar, whatever vinegar you can find. And then I'm going to add my honey. Now when you add your honey or your sugar at this point, the vinegar will help dissolve the honey or the sugar. Okay. Now if you thought this looked like a lotion bottle, it really is. I also make handmade lotions and cream and teach classes. And I didn't have another bottle to put the vinegar in, so I just grabbed one of my lotion bottles. Which any plastic bottle is going to work when you're working with vinegar. Okay, I need to whip this up and get all this to dissolve. Okay, now I've got half a cup. Now we use real mayonnaise. You can use any kind of salad dressing you would like. Just give that a good stir, incorporate it. And this makes such a great tasting salad dressing. You'll be wanting to use it for more than just broccoli salad. So okay, getting that stirred up. And I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper to it. Okay, I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to this and maybe a little pinch or two of pepper, just depending on how much you like pepper. And now I've got all of my ingredients together. Now I'm starting out, the full recipe is 5 cups of chopped broccoli. And you want to get this in like bite-sized pieces. You don't want it too small, you don't want it too big. And this 12-ounce bag of broccoli would have done the full recipe, and I'm using about half of it. Okay, now it's just a matter of adding all my additional ingredients. Now I've got bacon pieces, and of course you can chop these as big as small as you want. And I'm using the thick sliced bacon because we just think that is just so yummy. I am using chopped walnuts. Now you can use sunflower seeds, you can use pecans, I mean you can use candied pecans. This is your salad to make the way you want it. And I'm using some chopped onions. Now red onions would have really made this prettier, but it's whatever you happen to have on hand. Now you can use Feta cheese, cheddar cheese, whatever shredded cheese you like, but we really happen to like the Feta cheese. I know I went to Shaloski's, I'm pretty sure they had Feta cheese in theirs, and boy was it, or they might have had goat cheese. You could use goat cheese also. And then the star ingredient is the dried cranberries. Now if you don't have dried cranberries, you don't like dried cranberries, you can use raisins, you can use apricots. Just spread, just kind of, you know, they kind of stick together, so just kind of separate them and put them in there. And then all you've got to do now is add the dressing. And just give this a good, just fold it all in, stir it in. Let it refrigerate at least an hour. Now this is one of those salads that's really good. Let it set all day. You can let it set overnight. It's just really good. I mean, it just tastes great. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.